Just a kid, struggling with his faith, feeling like his whole life's one big mistake. Growing up, feeling out of place, so he's in his room making scars with a switchblade. He's in his room, feeling all alone, so he puffs on weed just to get into his zone. He looks up to the sky and asks God why. Asks God why the hell is he still alive? Growing up without any friends, growing up abused since the age of 10. And I can't tell you where his story begins, but I can tell you how it all ends. It's hard living a life without any love. It's hard living a life always selling drugs. One day he was on the street, now he's laying down unable to breathe. Now they're rushing him to the paramedics, filling up his body with all kinds of anesthetics. But it's not doing any good, playing with the devil and you always seem to lose. Laying on the ground, beaten black and blue, the doctors call his parents and they tell them the news.
Yes. Is this the parents of Michael? I regret to inform you we have your son with 2 bullets in the head. Most likely the result of gang violence. And I don't think he's gonna pull through. You better come immediately. I don't know how much time he has left. I'll give you more information when you get here. But until then, all we can do is pray for the best and hope he pulls through. It's in God's hands now.
Happens. Michael awakes. First thing he sees are heaven's gates, and God confronts him of all his past mistakes. I guess this is what happens when you try to play fate. Now his soul's lost without a trace. Now he meets his maker face to face, no longer feeling out of place. God opens his mouth and this is what he says.
Michael, I always loved you, my son. All the problems I threw at you, I knew you could handle it. Can't you see? This was all my will. Now you're free from all the pain that you once felt. Now I'm here to love you unconditionally. Don't be afraid, my son. You're home now. Now come with me. Your house awaits you.